Accident. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Players 2025, where we're not actually at Players, we're heading to a pre-meet just as cars are starting to arrive. We genuinely didn't think anything would come, but there's a 300ZX who's gone the wrong way. There you go. It's wet, so this is the night in between the 2 days. We're doing the Sunday, so this is Saturday night, and I think nothing's going to happen now. Morris Customs are hosting their post-players meet after the Saturday, and there's 2 cars. I mean, a few more cars are turning. I've got the Skyline with the BMW and the Audi. Oh, we're going to scope down the fastback to the rear, to the central exit exhaust of the Mark 1 MX-5. It did do some flames. That one looks cool. We've been informed that this is the Netherlands nutcase over here, and he's interrupting the flow of traffic, of which there is none. Oh, the Netherlands nutcase is providing. Let's go around to the back. They're impressed. Is this an ice cream? It doesn't act like an ice cream. Ugh. Oh, I know why I'm being called. Sam's just turned up in the KSI mobile. I saw him. I'm just coming around the corner to you. You got told to move. It's invite only, so obviously there's not enough space. Sam has MOT'd the KSI Lupo.
Taxed the KSI Lupo, right? And now I've got to move it out the car. I've been demoted from a car show.
This has got 34 million views on it. Soon to be more than that with your videos.
No, video drops very soon on this.
Shmee. Oh look, you can do that and now you can't see. The KSI Lupo was rejected, so Sam's going home. As all the cars start rolling out, I think that might be the end to tonight's meet. I heard they're going to the beach. Look at that wang! So we're going to go to the beach and get away. Hopefully these cars are going there as well. The JZX 110 and the 100 that's behind. Oh, what is this? Is that a police officer walking up the road? I think so.
Yeah, the lorry is not moving.
Oh, God, why do you have to be so dramatic? God, it's not an accident. He's broken down. That is particularly low. Is it a Civic Shuttle? Yes, it was. Well, isn't this just a good sign? We've got a pair of RWB Porsche 911s. We've got the Ruby Stone red Berkhouse one at the back. And Sam's black one there. Oh, here's everyone. We went to the wrong meet, obviously. I love the look of that GT86, cherry red. The S2000's pulling out. Here's the G86, come from the Netherlands with a Pando on board. Wide arches on the rear, got the 944 slammed with the BBS's as well. And then here goes the Ruby Stone Red S2000 with a dog. This R33 was at the previous location. This Polo wasn't. I'm a fan of the setup on that. Sat really nicely with the wide body C63 behind it and the Golf and the TT. So, sir, tell me about the amusements on offer in Pagham. Doesn't say much. We found the beach, got carried away, got chatting to people, and now it's a little bit dark. So tomorrow we'll go back to Goodwood for the actual show, and I'll show you what it's like inside or outside as cars arrive. Last night.
They've got that peachy 350.
Look how massive the M5 looks. The biggest barge of them all. City Turbo 2. What's that? What is it? Something's scraping. Which one is it? One of these cars. It must be the Micra. Don't think it's the Datsun. There it is. Oh, it's prostitution at its finest. expected. Bit top heavy there. Oh, look who we've got here. The pair of MX-5s from before. Hello. The fastback Mark 1s. And the 1 Series wide body from last night. Look how happy the MX-5 looks. It's like he's eaten a marshmallow. There's flowers and petals on it too. Right, we've got Subaru versus Evo. Let's see which sounds the best. Evo and the Huracan. The Slamborghini. Wakey, everyone. Oh, the Rover! What's going on here? The Swift is travelling at less than Swift speeds. Hazards are on. It's the least Swift of the Swift community. It's not very swift. No. I think he has an issue with the wheels. The Escort RS van. There's the flame. There's a Z20 Toyota Sora and a green boosted S2000. Not showing any signs of the boost. Might as well be naturally aspirated. Hello, taxi. I don't wish to alarm you, sir, but your bonnet has fallen off. I'm sure he's recognised the issue. I saw that coming. Someone's a bit embarrassed now, just a little bit.
Yes.
No. Everyone's stationary now. Luckily that wasn't much of an acceleration there. Now listen to this 1 Series and look at what is going on with this. It's a V10 and then a boosted Beetle. Headlight covers actually look good on the Datsun. Some pops and bangs approaching. It's probably the 350Z. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find out where I'm going to be each weekend, I go to events every single weekend. Just click join, it should be next to subscribe, and I give you weekly updates about where I'm going to be and what's on every weekend. Oh, I feel some scrapes coming on. Look at the camera on the Seat Leon. That's amazing. It's diesel as well. Something sounds. What is it that sounds? I think it's the FB. It's definitely the FB. Look at the headlights. Or the side lights, the fog lights. That sounds incredible. That is my car of the show so far. The FB RX-7. It could be like a triple rotor. It's got the brap. Sorry, everything else now is a bit. We've got the bouncing beast, the Chevy. All you can hear is that RX-7. Ooh. Hello. They're parking up with us.
Oh no.
Oh dear. Police Chief Inspector Constable's first car is the 4-door R34. And the Crown. Angry Lupo is angry. Oh, it's probably, do you reckon it's because it's lost his GTI badge? Police thinking about the camber on the GT86. I know what I'd think about it. I'd blow gotta love it. Love Camber. He's got fresh tyres because literally after 100 miles, those tyres are done. We're gonna get more scrapes from the CS Arosa. Surely. No? And here is another favourite, or another pair of favourites, the Esprit and the 911. Wonderful. The 911 had 811 written on the side. That sounds cryptic enough for me. And that is enough for the police in their Volvo. Are they going to instruct the people to maybe move the camper into the lay-by behind? They're having a mare. Someone else is scraping. Is it the Oh. I'm guessing the number plate's scraping because I don't know what else could. No, it's just literally the whole body is on the floor. Oh, how convenient. As soon as the police talk to them, they are no longer broken down. That was scraping. That was the exhaust. That makes sense. Standing here is there's two ways in, so we're only capturing half of the cars coming in. Here's the S13. You're late! So we might as well go inside the show and see what else has turned up. Listen to the Accord. It's Francis Bourgeois. A Ferrari 308. Harlequin. Colourful and bright and bold. So yesterday they used the track for the show. Today it's all static on the circuit, but you can see where they used the track yesterday. But we can now see the static on the circuit. And half the cars we've already seen coming in, the other half would have come from another direction. Such as this very custom and modified E46. Ah, BMW. How fun. I've been instructed to find some Dutch people and say the word cobcast today. That's my goal. Cobcast? Cobcast. Cobcast. Cobcast with a carpeted platform and a comedy air freshener. I've just been informed that cobcast means the cheese of a in Dutch. So I'm going to... We can quite easily determine how much tyre wear is getting used, because look, you've got the black tyre where it's not being used, and then the other half is where it actually contacts the ground. That's why tyres don't last long with the Camber, but it's worth it for the scene points. This S14's made some grave errors. He tried getting up the bank, and the body kit might have impeded that, and he's got stuck. The marshals are here to help. Yeah, maybe don't give it a go. Maybe try something else. This was top 25 approved at Adam Seafest. Didn't turn up though. There's a late arrival pulling in. Sounds immense. It's like an RB. It is an RB. There we go. The Mines R35. This was also top 25 at Adam Seafest. And do you know what he did? He turned up, didn't he? Welcome to the paddock. Cobcast, everyone. 300ZX if you're American and incorrect. This one's got a headlight cover on one of the sides. It's got the Civic GT86. Just had a guy come up to me, he's like, Adam C! White chases are You got the Polo on air and the canister is rolling over. Never seen that before. Look at it go! It must be, you can hear it. Oh, it's the Ease 36 blending in with the lawn. Here's the 1 Series we saw come in, by the way, with its width, and we can see the V10 because the bonnet is open. Big boosted V10. We didn't hear much of it. We got cameras for wing mirrors with screens on the inside, manual gearbox, carbon bucket seats. Still got the rears in though, and more headlight deletes here on the Auto Finesse wide body E36. The heat of the rear tyre has burnt the bodywork somewhat. I'm guessing it could skid because of the hydro. This Mini Cooper's got its engine in the wrong place, powered by Honda. Got the 190E's been modernised, the rear lights, the rear wheels as well, wide arches too. There's this 997 over here, chrome rotiform wheels, and even Porsche slippers with the same effects that the seats and almost the door shuts as well. You got it on the seat belt, even on the whiskey canister there, the little, what's it called, hip flask. Porsche branded mobile phone, the keys, the key ring, even the remote control version has got the same livery and the same carpeting. And talking of carpeting, there's a rug that's the same as the wheels, just not quite as shiny. 190E, white wheel in the world, Falcon livery, another favourite of the show with the R32 GTR at the front. So welcome back to the A3. You may recognise it's now got wrapped Maxton splitters and side skirts. They're the same colour. And even the model car, they've wrapped the splitter as well. What are I can't remember what these are called. These, they're the device that saw. They do that. Like a type of saw. I can't remember. This device just here. Someone tell me in the comments what this is called. I can't. It does that. We've got Volkswagen Golf R with Porsche wheels, Ferrari calipers on the rear, and Lamborghini calipers on the front that only just fit. Oh, hi. Wow. Right, cars are leaving. I think they're coming towards the end of the day now, our players. The 205 somehow snuck under our radar. I just wanted to take you through like a weekend as players at Goodwood. We are heading off now, probably to Spoons. We might even go to Caffeine and Machine later. I was there on Friday for some pre-player stuff, and now there's going to be some post-player stuff there as well. So we're heading back into the car park. We've got this S13 from last night, not actually in the show, but he's got a good spot. Don't know how he's nabbed that. There's a trio of BMWs that are stationary. Where did we park? Oh, they're not quite as stationary anymore, look. He's got unstationary now. E46 has joined in as well. Around his mates. The R32 actually has the GTST badge on it. It's not pretending to be a GTR. Car spotters at the roundabout. Should we do the same? Oh, the Exige is there. We have to join. I reckon the Exige was waiting for the 911. S15 rolling round slowly. Oh, yeah, we're going to go to the pub, see what other cars are driving around the area. Much like last night, they're not filming us. So welcome to Caffeine and Machine, the Hut, which has a lot of BMWs. I think they were all there earlier today. Audi's doing well. We've got the 7 Series, the Civic, the E30 in the Vorsteiner livery, M colours, the E46 Touring in white, 2 Hillman Imps there parked at the front. Obviously I was parked here with the Chaser in that space earlier in the weekend, but now we've just got some Imps and the AE86, the GR86, Skoda Audi TT, and that's about it. I thought there'd be more. Honestly, I thought they were. We've got obviously the A3, the EK9, and otherwise it's just chilled out.
Hi, I'm Adam C. I've gone for a Wii.
He's gone for an Adam Wii. Brave Wheels. CD5. God's motor. Adam Key. Players classic.
Something that he would do, just film an ant or something. There we go, film the ant.
Wow, an ant!
Wow, an ant! And he's got Brave Wheels.
He's getting in the crack.
Bring Ant Neons back. Sponsored by Lord's Timepiece. Everybody loves a black ant. That's done me, that. What?
That's my camera. I'm wiping my filter so I can get a nice picture of the Hillman.
Oh, the Hillman.
Come on, Steve!
Stephen Mulhern.
Come to Butlins!
Come to Butlins and you'll see me, Stephen Mulhern.
I've got you stickers!
There's a flower, a bow, a tutu, more than one. Oh, it's gone.
It's on your finger.
But from Players 2025, that was pretty much that. So like we've ended up with the LS400, a pair of Hillman Imps, and a boosted E46. Look, there's the turbo. But for now, thanks for watching. Oh, the relief. Look at that. We're going to wait for him. He's going to shake. Right, we're waiting for the shake. Where's the shake? Oh, he didn't shake. Oh!